In problem number 8, if you read, it states that the side of a rectangular park are in the ratio 3 is to 2. If its area is 1536 meter square, find the cost of fencing it. What do you mean by fencing? Putting a fence, right? Like putting an obstruction so that people don't cross over, right? So the question is find the cost of fencing. Um, at the rate of 23.5 per meter. That means 1 meter of fencing will cost 23.5. So you have your rectangle here. This is your park. Now, what we intend to do is we need to fence this park. Okay. Inside, you have children playing inside this park.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So we have children playing inside this park. So needs to be fenced, right? Certain fence needs to be given here so that people don't cross over or people inside don't go out. Certain fencing needs to be done, say vertical poles or something, iron rods needs to be put. And what kind of a rectangular park this is? It is such a rectangular park where the sides of the park are in the ratio 3 is to 2. That is, the length is to breadth given, length is to breadth is in the ratio of 3 is to 2. Okay. Also, the area of the park is given to be 1536 meter square. Okay, so in order to find out, we first have to find out the length and breadth. In order to find out the cost of fencing, we first need to find out the length and breadth of this park. Okay, now what should be the length and breadth of this park? It is the ratio is given. The actual length and breadth are not given. So we start by saying let the
Afternoon,
length
sir.
let the length and breadth
So 2x.
of the park be 3x and 2x respectively, because they are in the ratio 3 is to 2. So you can take the length to be 3x and the breadth to be 2x. Therefore, what should be the area of this park? Area of the park should be length into breadth, which is equal to 3x into 2x, which is equal to 6x square. This is the area. But what is the area given to you? 1536. So according to the problem, 6x square is equal to 1536. So from here, if we solve this equation, we'll be able to find out the value of x. Therefore, what is x square? It is 1536 divided by 6. That means now if you divide this, you will get 256. X square is 256. That means x is square root of 256. And you know that the square root of 256 is 16. If you don't know, you can use prime factorization method. Okay, to be sure. You know the method of finding square root by prime factorization method, you can use prime factorization method. Or you can use division method also, no problem. So square root of 256 is 16. So therefore, what is the length of the park? Length of the park we had taken as 3x. So therefore, it is 3 into 16, which is 48. And what is the breadth of the park? It's 2x, which is 2 into 16, 32. So you have managed to find out this is in meters, both of them. Length of the park is 42 meters. Breadth of the park is 32 meters. Okay. So now we'll see, if I want to fence this all around, That means the fencing has to be put all throughout your length and throughout your breadth. So first we need to find out the perimeter of this rectangle. So what is the perimeter of this rectangular park? Perimeter of the rectangular park is equal to twice, the formula, twice of L plus B. So twice L we have found as 48, breadth we have found as 32, which is 2 into 80. 48 plus 32 is 80, which is 160 meter. This is the perimeter. Perimeter, that means length of all the sides of the rectangular park. Now you need to put the fencing here. All the fencing needs to be done on all the four sides of the rectangle. And what is the cost here given? Cost of the fencing is given to be 23.5 per meter. So 1 meter of fencing costs 1 meter of fencing costs rupees 23.5. Therefore, 160 meter of fencing costs 23.5 into 160. Okay. So if you multiply these two, 23.5 into 160, it will come to 3,760. But how?
37.
So you can, what you can do is you can take this 235 by 10. You can write 23.5 as 235 by 10 into 160. 10 cancels, and you simply have 235 into 16. And if you multiply this, you will get rupees 3,760. This is the cost of fencing the entire park, because we are fencing here, we are fencing two lengths here. See, these two lengths we are fencing, and these two breadths we are fencing. That means all the boundary is being fenced, and 1 meter costs 23.5. So we found out the perimeter, sum of all the lengths, and then multiplied by the cost. Okay, so that is how you do this problem. Let us move on to the next problem, which is number 10. If you read problem number 10, the problem states, this is your problem number 10. It states that a veranda 50-meter long and 12-meter broad is to be paved with tiles, each measuring 6 decimeter by 5 decimeter. What is the decimeter? Can anyone tell me what is decimeter?
So like kilo head to decameter. So after that
Decimeter.
it's come
Decimeter. What is decimeter? Yes, okay, fine. Kilometer, decameter, decimeter. But what is decimeter?
Smallest unit of
Decimeter is 1/10. Remember, the word deci means 10. Okay. The word deci means 10. So if I say 6 decimeters, it means 6 by 10 meters. That means 0.6 meters. But anyway, let's not, we'll come to decimeter and all that a little later. But let's first try to understand the problem. You have a veranda which is 50 meters long and 12 meters broad. Fine. This is your veranda, rectangular veranda. Okay. See A, B, C, D. And you have length as 50 meters. And you have the breadth of this veranda as 12 meters. Okay. Now this rectangular veranda is to be paved with tiles. Now what do you mean by paved with tiles? That means certain types of tiles have to be placed here on the floor. These are rectangular tiles or that has to be placed here. And let us consider a particular tile here. What are the measurements of this tile? We do it with the red one. Let's say this tile. What are the measurements of this tile? This is a rectangular tile, say this kind. And what are the measurements here? Let's say PQRS. Okay. The measurements here are 6 decimeter. And the breadth of this tile is 5 decimeter. Okay. So question is, how many tiles are needed to put it in this to tile the floor of this veranda? See, first we shall convert decimeter to meter. Here 6 decimeters. As I told you, deci is 1/10 of a meter. That means 6 by 10 meters, which is, let me leave it as a fraction. We'll see later. 6 by 10 meters. And 5 decimeters means 5 by 10 meters. That is what it means. That is the measurement of each tile. So therefore, what is the area of each tile? Area of each tile. It is length into breadth. What is the length of the tile? 6 by 10. And what is the breadth of the tile? 5 by 10. Okay, so now you cancel. You get
That's
3 by
30
10.
decameter square.
Only meter square. We have already converted decimeter to meter. Okay. So this is area of each tile is 3 by 10 meter square. Now, if one tile is 3 by 10 here, this shaded tile, and suppose I am putting X number of tiles, then what is the total area of the tiles? 3 by 10 into X. So let's say that let the number of tiles needed, let the number of tiles needed be X. Therefore, if one tile has 3 by 10 meter square area, then what is the area of X tiles? It is 3 by 10 into X, which is 3X by 10. Right? This is the area of each tile, area of the total number of tiles that are needed. And what is the area that you will require? You are required to tile this entire veranda, right? And what is the area of this veranda? It is this length, 50, into this breadth. So area of the veranda.
600 meters.
Yes, area of the veranda is equal to 50 into 10, 12, sorry, which is equal to 600
So 600
meter square. Now see, if I am to tile the entire veranda with X tiles, that means area of these X tiles must be equal to area of the veranda. So these two must be equal because I am tiling the entire veranda. So therefore, area of the veranda is equal to area of X tiles. And what is the area of the veranda here? 600. And area of X tiles is 3X by 10. We shall solve this equation to get, you cross multiply, you get 6000 is equal to 3X. That means 3X is equal to 6000. And that means X must be equal to 6000 divided by 3. If you cancel, you get 2000. So how many tiles are required? 2000 tiles are required to cover the entire veranda with tiles. Any question on this one?
No,
So I
sir.
have,
Yes.
so while we are doing that area of X tiles, we are multiplying it 3 by 10 into X. So we are writing that 3X by 10. Sir,
Hmm.
we will not write meter square over there.
See, 3x by 10, you can write, no problem here. You can write, no problem. But normally when there is a variable there, okay, see, x is a variable here. That is why, even if you don't write, it will do. But you can write, no problem.
Okay, sir. Thank
Let us move on to the next question. The next question will be question number 12.
Sir, we will do week with some you are doing that sum only we will do in our copy.
Yes. Question number 12. This is your question number 12. The question states a room 9.5 meter long and 6 meter wide. So length is given, breadth is given. It's surrounded by a veranda 1.2 meters wide. Calculate the cost of cementing the floor of this veranda at rupees 28 per square meter. Let us try to understand this problem. Okay. So you have Isha Das, put off your camera. You have a
Sorry,
you have a
sir.
veranda like this. Okay. A room, in fact, not a veranda. A room you have whose length is given. Let's call this rectangular room ABCD. And 9.5 meters long. This is the length. And the breadth is 6 meters. 6 meters. Is surrounded by a veranda 1.25 meter wide. Okay. What do you mean by is surrounded by a veranda 1.25 meters wide? See, this room is surrounded like this. Understood? This room is surrounded like this. So that this entire part becomes your veranda. This is your veranda. Okay. And what else is given? That the width of this veranda is 1.25. What do you mean by width of this veranda? Width of this veranda means this width. This width is 1.25 meters. This is the width of this veranda, 1.25 meters. Is this question now clear? Everyone understood the meaning of width of the veranda?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these measurements are given to you. This measurement is given. This measurement is given to you. 9.5 meters is the length, this measurement, and 6 meters is the breadth. Okay. So now the question here is calculate the area cost of cementing the floor of this veranda. Now this is the floor of the shaded region that you see here, the shaded part. This is your floor of the veranda. Okay. This needs to be cemented. Okay. And what is the cost of cementing? 1 meter square of cementing costs rupees 28. That means how many meters square will cost how much? For that, first you will have to be required to calculate the area of the veranda that surrounds this room. And what is the area of this veranda that surrounds this room? It is this rectangle, smaller rectangle. Let us call this rectangle PQRS. Bigger rectangle. Bigger rectangle minus the smaller rectangle will give you the area of the shaded region, which is the area of your veranda. Once you get the area of the veranda, how much is the cost? 28 for 1 meter square. That means you multiply the area of the veranda with 28, you will get the total cost. So my first priority here is to find out the area of the veranda. But in order to find out the area, I will require the length and breadth of the bigger rectangle also. So if you see, if this is 1.25, this should also be 1.25. This should also be 1.25. And this should also be 1.25. Okay. So what is the length of uh, rectangle PQRS, which is PQ? Let's say I'm talking about this length. What is this length? See, this length is given to you as how much? 9.5, right? 9.5. And how much is here? We have 1.25 here, and we have 1.25 here. That means length of the bigger rectangle PQ will be 9.5 plus 1.25 on the left plus 1.25 on the right. This should be the length of the bigger rectangle. So this should come to 9.5 plus 2.5 will give you 12 meters. This is the length of the bigger rectangle. Let us now see the breadth of rectangle PQRS. Which one is the breadth? When you're talking about breadth, we are talking about this QR, right? And how much is QR? QR, if you see, QR is this length, which is given to you. How much is this length given to you? 6 meters. Breadth of the room. Plus this width here, which is 1.25. And this width here, which is also 1.25. So this is 6 plus 1.25 plus 1.25. So this is 6 plus 2.5 comes to 8.5 meters. Okay, this is the breadth of your rectangle PQRS. Now we shall find out the area of the rectangle PQRS. The area of the rectangle is length into breadth, which is PQ, length, and QR is your breadth, which is 12 into 8.5. Okay, so you multiply these two.
102.
102.
Yes, sir.
26, 25, 51, 7. How is it coming to 105? Should not come.
102.
102. Okay. 102 meter square. This is the area of the rectangle PQRS. Next, we have found the area of the bigger rectangle. Next, let us find out the area of the smaller rectangle, which is very easy because the length and breadth are given. The area of the smaller rectangle ABCD is 9.5 into 6, length into breadth, right? So area of rectangle ABCD, which is your room, is equal to, what is the length here? The length here is AB and the breadth here is BC. So AB into BC, which is AB here is 9.5 and BC here is 6. So 9.5 into 6, which is 95 by 10 into 6. 2, 3,
Sir, 57.
57. Okay. So this is 57 meter square. So you have found out the area of the bigger rectangle, smaller rectangle. So therefore, what is the area of this shaded region? Area of the bigger rectangle minus area of the smaller rectangle. So area of rectangle PQRS. So area of the veranda. Area of the veranda. Or you can also say shaded region is equal to area of rectangle, bigger rectangle, area of, which one is the bigger rectangle? PQRS. and smaller rectangle is ABCD minus area of rectangle ABCD. So this is 102 minus 57. How much is 102 minus 57?
Sir, 45. Sir,
45.
45.
45 meters square. This is the area of the veranda. Now this veranda has this area and this entire area needs to be cemented. And what is the cost here? Let's see. The cost here is rupees 28 for 1 meter square. So 1 meter square of cementing, 1 meter square of cementing costs rupees 45. Sorry, rupees 28, I think. Yes, 28. 1 meter square of cementing costs rupees 28. And what is the area of the veranda? 45. Therefore, 45 meter square (1 meter square) of cementing costs this. Therefore, 45 meter square of cementing costs 28 into 45. And 28 into 45 is how much?
Sir, 1260.
Rupees 1260.
60.
So that is what your cost of cementing the veranda is. Any questions on this problem?
No, sir.
Now for 13, I'll just give you a hint and I will continue with the other problems tomorrow. For 13, I'll just give you small hints. You will have to do it on your own. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, I have a doubt in sum number 9.
What doubt you have? Tell me.
Sir, I can't do that sum.
Okay, let's try out sum number 9 then. 13 hints I'll give you
Thank
tomorrow.
you, sir.
Question is, find the cost of carpeting 12 meter long and 8 meter broad with carpet 75 centimeter broad at the rate of 116.5 per meter. Fine. We're doing number 9 here. Find the cost of carpeting a room. A room will be a rectangle here. ABCD. Okay, this room needs to be carpeted. That means the entire floor needs to be covered with a certain carpet, a rug. Okay, 12 meter long. What is the length? It is given to be 12 meters. And what is the breadth? 8 meters. Okay, with a carpet 75 centimeter broad at the rate of 116 per meter. Okay. A rectangular grassy plot 125 meters long. So this is your 125 meters. And 74 centimeter broad, 74 meters broad, in fact. 74 meters broad. It has a path 2.5 meter wide all round on the inside. So on the inside it has a certain path. So that means there is an inner rectangle here. There's an inner rectangle here and this has a path. What is the path here? This is the path. Shaded part. This is the path. Okay. On the inside, it has a path, which is 2.5 meter broad. 2.5 meters broad. So this is 2.5 meter. 2.5 meters. This is 2.5 meters. And this is also 2.5 meters. Okay. All these are 2.5 meters. All around it on the inside. So if you see, this path is 2.5 meter broad inside this rectangle ABCD. Question is, find the cost of leveling the path at 6.8 per meter square. Leveling means what? Making it uniform, making it flat completely. Okay. So whatever it is, let's say cementing only, the same type of question that we had done. But here this time it is a little different. A little different in the sense that the outer measurements are given. So you can find out the what is the area of this shaded region, outer rectangle minus inner rectangle. Outer rectangle length and breadth are given to you. Okay. So outer rectangle area is 125 into 74. This is the outer. What about the inner measurements? What is this length? If you see, this length is 125 minus this 2.5 here minus this 2.5 here. So this is your length. So this is actually 125 minus 5, which is simply 120 meters. This is the length of the inner rectangle. What is the breadth of the inner rectangle? This breadth. This is 74 minus this 2.5 and minus this 2.5. So this 74 minus 2.5 minus 2.5 will give you 69. So now you have got the length and breadth. So what is the area of the inner rectangle? 120 into 69. You subtract these two, you'll get the area of the shaded region. Whatever area that you get, you multiply this by, what is the cost? 6.8 per meter square. You multiply this by 6.8 to get your answer. Any question?
No, sir.
Fine. So
No,
I
sir.
stop
No,
here
sir.
for today.